Welcome to ABB Tutorials. My name is David, and this is a short demonstration on how to manipulate data you're looking at by using calculations in Linea. For this example, I will convert temperature from Celsius degrees to Fahrenheit degrees based on a temperature sensor. So I'm gonna go to File and click on New to start a new trend. Then go to the search box, type in the tag name, click on it, and then close the dialog. Then I'm gonna go to time control and add a quick range of last month. So now I'm displaying the last month of data, and I want to use the auto scale function to make it use the full height of the screen. And then the easiest way to create a calculation would be to add an empty virtual tag, and that's we can do by clicking on this Add New Series button. As you can see, there's an empty series on figure 1, and then we will then type in the calculation within the Y section here on value. So in order to give it a reference for the tag, we can drag and drop the existing temperature in Celsius degrees. As you can see, the syntax for the calculation starts with equal, then uses double quotes, and there's a series of arithmetic and logical operations that you can see on the user manual that we can use for defining these expressions. So in this case, to convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit, I'm going to use some well-known expression. And then it is important to click on the right side, and sometimes the installation have multiple sites. In this case, it's Oslo. Then I'm going to click on close. As you can see, now I have two tags with one in Celsius and one in Fahrenheit. So I can also use the layout function to separate them into two different figures. Now I'm going to show you how to change the name for this new tag, that we can put conversion Fahrenheit, and we can give it a unit for degrees Fahrenheit, and a description calculation. Close the dialog, and then you can also change the name of the figure just by renaming it here. Celsius. I'm going to rename figure 2 to Fahrenheit. Finally, I can just show you how to easily adapt the look and feel of the visualization. So I'm going to select time average and window for 1 hour to make it look a little bit less noisy. And I'm going to check the same for signal number 2. And as you can see, I have now two signals in the same visualization showing the results of a calculation from Celsius to Fahrenheit. We can close this tutorial by clicking on Save. Thank you.